Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Future Affiliate Pro video. My name is Jamar Jones, and on this channel, I like to keep affiliate marketing, earning money, and making money online super simple. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my ClickBank journey to earning $5,000 a month, and from days 22 to 46. So the last 2 weeks, what have I been doing to start working my way to earning money online? If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make videos week by week documenting my journey and also showing you all how to set up your online business and making money with affiliate marketing. All right, guys, it's days 22 through 46. So what have I been doing the last 2 weeks with my journey towards making $5,000 a month online? Well, just like in my last video, I continue to drop breadcrumbs. This is also known as the free method. You can use Quora like I have been and continuing to answer 1 to 3 questions daily. The reason for this is you have to build credibility with your brand, right? Remember, you're building a business and a brand. So people need to be able to recognize that you're an authority figure and the content and the products that you put out are trustworthy. So also, you're going onto YouTube, leaving comments. I've been going onto YouTube videos within the product that I'm trying to promote and leaving comments and a link back to my landing page, leading them to my ClickBank product. Facebook groups. I haven't done any promotion of my ClickBank product on Facebook groups because I wanted to build a credibility first. If you spend the first 2 to 4 weeks where people get to understand who you are and what you bring to the group, then when you go to post something like an offer, they won't be so quick to ban you. And then lastly, through my Instagram page, you guys should be starting up your own Instagram pages with posts that redirect back to your ClickBank offer. So also, I've been continuing to develop a relationship with the list because all of my people who click on my link get directed to my landing page, and there I'm collecting emails, constantly building my list, and then twice a week I'm following up and I'm sending them emails with the offer. So as long as they're on their list, as long as you have them on your list, you can continue sending them emails with the offer, and until they unsubscribe, then you're constantly going to be able to get your product in front of them. Free traffic is super slow, and it's evident about what I'm going to show you in the next part of this video is, did I make any sales yet? So I'll answer that question right now. As you can see, we're on my ClickBank dashboard, and what do you know, with the free method, it's been 46 days. 46 days, and back on August 14th, so 5 days ago, it took 41 days using the free method to get my first sale. And remember, my first, the product that I chose from day one was a YouTube training method to help people who would like to either start making money with YouTube without making their own videos, or making their own videos, strategies, tactics, and things of that sort. So as you can see, I have made, with the free strategy, I have made $16.79. While it isn't a lot, I actually haven't, in the grand scheme of things, I haven't been doing this method for that long. It's just been a month and a half of every couple days putting out these breadcrumbs, and I haven't gone into Facebook and started promoting yet. And Instagram, I'm going to get ready to start pushing more of the YouTube training program. So if we go to reporting, it'll tell us how many hops, how many visits that we've gotten on our link and we can separate it by the last, let's say the last month. So in the last month, using the free method, right here, YouTube, I've had 16 hops. So 16 hops in the last month using this free method. So it is slow. It is really slow because you don't have a lot of content and you don't have your links in a lot of places for people to be able to click on it. That's why the free traffic strategy can be really, really slow at first. I mean, some people in the past, last year, I remember I went 3 months without ever making a sale using this free traffic strategy. I wanted to redo this method and document it on YouTube here and show people the reality of not really putting in a lot of money, but putting in a lot more time and how long it's going to take to get sales. So if you subtract, so I've gotten 16 hops and one $16 sale. So if you extrapolate that out, I mean, if you could get 160 hops, and if your link was in the right traffic areas, you could get 10 sales per 160 or 200 or 300 hops, which isn't bad, which means you need to increase the number of traffic to your landing page and to your site. So what am I going to be doing going forward from this point, from day 46? Well, I'm going to be continuing to put out my breadcrumbs like I have been doing, because the more places you stick your link, the more chances traffic has of coming across it and clicking on it. So I'm going to continue working on getting my YouTube Secrets ClickBank product out there on the internet, but you also can look to start diversifying with the amount of ClickBank products you can promote. So you've already kind of got your system down and you want to continue promoting other products. So you can either stay in the same niche or you can look for high converting offers in other niches. So what I'm going to be doing is looking for another product. I have found one that I'd like to start testing. I'll start slow with a free strategy, but then also with my next 1 to 2 products, I'm going to start running paid ads. So you can start with as little as $25 to $40 running solo ads, which you'll be able to capture emails from your landing page, and you can start making sales a lot quicker with driving targeted paid traffic. And you can also, as cheap as $5 a day, you can be running Facebook ads or Instagram story ads. You can set them up to run to a landing page and then running to your offer. So you're going to want to split test ad copies and landing pages when you're doing these $5 a day Instagram story ads. I'm going to do another video soon, probably this week, as a follow-up, showing you how you can set up very quickly. You can set up your own Instagram story ad, and with a $5 budget per day, you can start promoting your offer. So let's go check out some of the Instagram story ads I've started making on Canva. So we're on Canva right now, and you can see here I started already making 5 different Instagram story ads that I'm going to be using when I start running the ads on Facebook. And you can see here there's all different types of pictures, and I just got these angry dog pictures from Pixabay, which is a free site that you can use to grab pictures from. And I place them in here, and all you have to do is create a design and type in Instagram story, and then it will give you the proper size that you need to make your picture. So I made 5 different ones, and I'll probably change these colors on some of the text, but I'm going to be using all 5 of these different pictures to see which one gives me the best conversion rate. Then what I went ahead and did is I followed it up with creating my own follow-up autoresponder series that once somebody enters their email in, they're going to fall in to my autoresponder, and on day 1, right away, as soon as they enter in their email, they're going to get a free training. So every email after that, since they open that first email, should go right into their inbox. And you can see I've got a follow-up as 5 separate emails that offers training and offers them a way for them to go back to my offer. And this is really, really important, that I don't want people to not do this. You have to have an autoresponder. An autoresponder is going to continue for the people that enter their email but they don't purchase your product right away, your offer. They're constantly, over the course of the next almost the week, the following week, they're going to be getting more content, more value, and as they go through this email autoresponder funnel, every single one is going to drive them back to your offer. And this is an important step that you cannot skip. If you don't have this step and you don't gather their email and you can't follow up with them, if they just land on the offer and then they decide not to buy, then there's no way for you to follow up with them. You've got to have an autoresponder, period. So I found this next product. I'm normally in the e-business and e-marketing niche, but I decided to go a little bit off the beaten path and what I thought might be a good thing to promote. So if you type dog training into the search bar, you'll see here that if you sort it by gravity, by highest converting, you can see here there's brain training for dogs, unique dog training course, and the average sale is $31. It's not high ticket, and it's not the lowest, 15, 20 bucks. It's kind of right in the middle, and it's got a pretty decent gravity rate of 75.15. So it's a high converting offer. So the initial sale is $31.75 with the average percentage of sale of 75%. So I chose this, and there's a lot of, on the affiliate page, there's a lot of tools and banners and email swipes and things for you to use. And that's what I use to add to my autoresponder to set up a week-long email chain that people will get into their inbox that will keep funneling them back to brain training for dogs. So basically, that's how I set this up. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Facebook ad. If you guys like this video, go ahead, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to continue following me on my ClickBank journey. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys are having any success promoting and following my journey as I have been showing you the free traffic strategies as well as the paid traffic strategies in earning money online with ClickBank. I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.